So what's up? It's 2 p.m. right now, and it's the same day as last episode, basically 28th May. And yeah, so I'm looking at potential US 30 trade. We'll see if that happens and if it gives me an entry. And and yeah, then US 500 doing kind of the same thing. Also some kind of a flush, I would say. And yeah, but nothing really. I think US 30 is better at this point because it's US 500 is right here and US 30 is still in this range, and it made a little bit deeper pullback. Anyways, they will move the same probably, so I will stick with US 30. Yeah, then Japanese index also looks very nice, but it's under the EMAs. The validation of the second MB would be under the EMA, so I don't like that. I want to see at least above the EMAs, and yeah. Overall, it looks nice. If you go to 6 hour, really nice. It starts to respect the EMAs, so potentially targeting these highs to go higher. And yeah, that's about it. Then Bitcoin also is okay. We'll see if it respects the EMAs. Right now, it is respecting, I would say. So looks overall nice. All I want to see is out of this chop something. Basically, push, pause, go. That's what I want to see. But yeah. That's about it, really. If it starts to break down, I will cancel and I will not look at it because 6 hours starts to look very fucking ugly. And yeah, so we'll see what happens with this one. ETH actually starts to look a little bit better. It starts to make that MB, and it's not chopping so much if you compare. Like, Bitcoin is chopping very, very much. But yeah, Ethereum looks really nice. It could set up a new entry in 1 hour, and we could take it like this higher. And yeah, DAX, nothing. It's pushing down. It has its MB, so it's building that second momentum MB on 6 hour. So that's good, still valid. All I need, like always, is push, pause, go. That's what all I need. So I'll just place an alert. And yeah, then the US 500. Yeah. So yeah, Euro stocks. It made its MB, but if this candle closes, oh, it already closed below. Yeah, I don't like that. I really like when market respects the EMAs on validation. At least it needs to respect the EMAs. It can go below the EMAs, like for example in here, it went a lot below the EMAs, but it instantly rejected. Right now we'll see what happens, but it doesn't look that great. We had a beautiful run, and now we are chopping, probably because also we have 50% tariff on European Union, and this is Euro stocks. So yeah. Um, yeah, that's really it. Spain doesn't have validation MB. I would call this 100% a flush on 6 hour. We are chopping, but again, the same thing. It's a European index. That's why, because of the tariffs, we are doing this, and probably again, it's as expected. Why? Just by the technical analysis, we had a crazy run. Since this flush, we had a beautiful run to the highs, and we need to pull back and set up new entries later on in here. That's I think what will happen. But anyways, it's just my speculation. It doesn't mean anything. All I want to see on 6 hour is to make that MB pause, and inside the pause we will have 1 hour to give us beautiful entries. That's what I need and what I want to see. So yeah. Then Italy. Still, I want to see that validation MB. There is some kind of this small one, but I will wait for. We had a huge movement to the downside. Like this was huge push to the downside. It was how much? Like probably 3% of the whole index. Almost 4% of the whole index. So I want to see at least a validation of this demand, or whatever you want to call, structure break, whatever. So it's already midnight almost. Market is closed, so nothing really happened. I was looking at US 30. Right here we made the first MB, and I was waiting for in here an MB or in here an MB. It didn't happen, market failed, so nothing to do. Then US 500, the same thing. I was waiting for this MB, and then to create another MB, it just failed. So now I'm still waiting for this. Pause, go. And yeah, that's really it for now. Overall, it looks so fucking good. Like if we go to 6-hour chart, it looks really nice. If it respects the EMAs and start building, then I think tomorrow we can have beautiful run to the highs. The same thing goes for US 500, and yeah, the same thing goes for Japanese index. I wanted to take it at the start. I wanted to take it like this. Then I wanted to take it like this, the fractal MB, but it failed, and market also closed. Like it's now after market hours, and I don't trade after market hours. No need. So yeah, I'll just wait tomorrow for something. Yeah, actually, the same thing. If it stays somewhere here, then just wait for this. Or let's say if it is somewhere here, then I'll call all this as an stage one and just wait for that momentum MB. But most likely, if it will want to push this high, I think it will do it over the night, like because it's Japanese session, and this is Japanese index, and it will move over the night probably. We'll see. For example, over this night, yeah, actually, yeah, you can see that it moves. Here's 1 a.m. and it started moving really crazy. So probably if it wants to go, I will miss this entry. I can see it already because it will go. But again, I can't take right now trade. I will go to sleep soon. So why would I take an entry, go to sleep and leave the trade with full stop loss and yeah. So that's not what I do. And yeah, but for tomorrow again, very good. US 500 also for tomorrow, perfect. US 30, and then I think DAX is also good because we are building that momentum. Actually, it's not anymore momentum MB, but still, it doesn't matter. We are building that MB, still respecting the EMA, so I'm looking for bullishness. All I want to see is, let's say, first MB, pause, go. That's really it. So, MB, pause, go, EMAs starts to switch. That's it. Then Euro stocks, nothing really. I want to see, this was an MB, but then it again failed. Didn't respect the EMAs. If you compare this to this, completely different picture. So I will not take Euro stocks. Of course, all I need is just for it to create an MB and start to respect the EMAs, and that's it. So we'll see. Spain is the same as Euro stocks. Italy, still nothing really. Gold as well, doing nothing. This gold really is very weaky. I don't want to take it at these moments. That it, I I want to see either we see flush on 1 hour and then start to create MBs, like clear MBs. That's where I want to be involved, because if we will have flush and then we will want to go higher, we will have clear MBs. In these kind of places where market is so choppy, I don't want to take anything. That's why I haven't taken anything on this market for a very long time. Actually, no, but no, I took on 30-minute. I don't remember where I took the trade. It was yesterday. Or no. I don't remember really. Where the fuck did I took the entry? Here. And where is it on this? Oh, here, yeah. It was a break even. Anyways, yeah, that's about it. This market is pushing down, really nothing to do. It failed its whole setup, so it's flushing down deeply. So I want to see MB on validation and then start to follow. So basically 6-hour MB. So all these is cancelled, they're not important anymore. I want to see this push, pause, go. Ethereum, it looks okay. We could expect entries from it. Respecting the EMAs, 1, 2, now third MB, so we're looking very nice. Bitcoin, on the other hand, you can just compare how looks this and how looks Ethereum. This looks more bullish. So yeah, Bitcoin nothing, Solana as well nothing. It's doing this, so that's not where I want to be involved. Yeah, that's about it. We can quickly check out Nvidia. It reported earnings, and as you can see, it exceeded earnings. But yeah, it's just actually important because Nvidia's market cap is $3.3 trillion. Trillion. So they move the market. They literally move the market. But it's not that important for us. Yeah. So I think we analyzed everything, and that's about it for now. I'll go to sleep and see you guys tomorrow. Bye.